Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Nextdoor advertising in 2025. If you're looking to boost your local business presence, this guide will show you how to effectively advertise on Nextdoor. Let's get started. Creating your Nextdoor ad account. Sign up for a business account. Head to Nextdoor and create a business profile. Verify your business. Complete the verification process to ensure trust with local customers. Advertising options on Nextdoor. Neighborhood sponsorship. Target your ads to specific neighborhoods for local relevance. Promoted posts. Boost your posts to get them in front of more local users. Sponsored business listings. Appear at the top of search results for users looking for services like yours. Tips for effective ads. Be local. Make sure your content resonates with your community by posting relevant offers, events, and promotions. Engage, respond to comments, and interact with local users to build relationships. And that's it. Nextdoor advertising is a great way to grow your business locally. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.